Go in with your pore primer and your concealer and apply some of this to your eyelid, and then blend using your blending sponge. Once this is done, you can go in with your P. Louise base. I'm using shade 0. And then I went in with Everglades, which is a beautiful bright green. I really love this color, and I put it in the inner corner of my eye and my crease. I then took Blue Ridge Parkway, which is another matte green shade, and I started blending that in with Everglades, going in gentle sweeping motions to create a curved look. The next shade I used was the Narrows, and using the same big blending brush, I added that towards the end to create the shape that I wanted, and I also went slightly below that. I then took a wet tissue wipe and I just cleaned up my crease before applying my cut crease liquid to that, which is the P. Louise Blank Canvas Acid Rain Paint. I applied this using a small brush in order to make the cut crease as precise as possible. This process generally takes a bit of time. After that, I went in with Whole Rainforest, which is a shimmery green in the palette, and I applied this to the majority of the middle of my eyelid. Feel free to use your fingers at this stage. You'll probably get a better color, payoff. I went over that with Blue Ridge Parkway just to add a beautiful effect. And then once more with the Narrows to make it look like it was blending in better. I then added Mammoth Cave, which is a beautiful shimmery gold, to the inner corners of my eyes, and I blended that in with the green shimmer. I also added some of that to the bottom of my eyes. And then I went in and added my liner, which was the Maybelline gel liner. After that, you can add your orange color corrector. Mine is from LA Girl Cosmetics, and I add it to all the areas I want to cover up. Let it sit on the skin after blending it in, and then go over that with some concealer, and then blend the concealer in and add some setting powder. Mine is from Juvia's Place in the shade Kalahari, and I find that it really brightens up the entire face. Ensure that you blend out the creases under your eye using a sponge before you bake. Then you can apply your highlighter in the inner corners of your eyes, on the brow bone, as well as above the cheekbone to add additional brightness to your face. And once you've done that, your look is complete.